All right, good morning, my gangster family. How you have been? Did you survive the FOMC last night and the Trump speech? Did you guys survive the FOMC? Good morning, Ram. How are you, bro? Doing great. Damn, price is moving. Okay, let's do top to bottom analysis for now. All right, let's take a look on the weekly. Weekly just made a wick up. Last night just came, turned bearish, and now it's recovering. Daily fill that gap. Okay, it's already filled that gap, and today we are making a wick up without the today's daily moved up without creating a wick down. 4 hour. Yesterday didn't survive. $100 lost. SL hit. Happened with a lot of people, bro. It's happened with a lot of people. This is my yesterday's trades. Let me show you. Okay, so these are my yesterday's trade. All TP hit. Yeah, first one, this one. All right. So now this trade was on the Trump speech. So when Trump there was a Trump speech. So in the history, whenever Trump speaks, mostly gold goes up. So on that basis, I took a buy, and that got hit. Okay, and the second trade are three trades I took on dynamic risk based on the dynamic risk during the FOMC when gold have already fallen and it had to recover that shock because that much gold cannot fall in either it had to fill the gap or price imbalance. So for that recovery causes, we took these three trades, all hit the take profit, all hit the take profit. Yesterday was crazy. So 4 hour is breaking the low of the previous one, so it's bearish. 1 hour, what's happening with the trading view, bro? Maybe the reload. Okay, so 1 hour, 1 hour already broke. Damn, that was a beautiful trade. That was a beautiful trade on 15 minute. Sorry, on 1 hour. We could have entered as 1 hour broke below these lows. An impulse entry should have targeted this 130 pips. Stop loss would have been up there based on 30 minute. Sorry, based on 15 minute. It's okay. We missed this trade. Let's mark the levels. All right. So that was the resistance, which was the 1 hour previous candle's low. So it had to like break below. That could be the. Sometime I draw the line, predict the things, but wait for the candle to close. By the time it closes, it will move either up or down, unable to take impulse entries. Same here, bro. I mean, would take an impulse entries, but I don't know why. All right, so here we go. These were the levels, and now we wait for a market structure in a way that either it come closes above this range. Okay, either this candle closes above this range and next one break below this. Okay, we have 6 minutes left for this 15-minute candle to close. If that closes below this level, and we will wait for the next one, it will wick up and then continue pushing down, then we will take a trade. Still, we have a very good range. Okay, don't worry, Ram. So because we have a opportunity yet, if this current 15-minute candle closes bearish and below this level, it means the 30-minute will close below this level, right? So that will create the huge impact, huge opportunity for us. Let's only be on the 30-minute, not on the 15-minute, because 30-minute makes more sense to me, right? 30-minute makes more sense for me, by the way. All right, so we'll wait for 30-minute to close below this level. Okay, and then we will see the next candle how it moves. Either it wick up and then breaks its own low to continue pushing down. We have a range of 200 pips, a 200 pip range if it moves down, or if it closes above this level, then we also have a very good range right here. 500 pips, man. 5 fucking 100 pips. 500 pips. Now you have to decide which trade you would take. Decide which trade would you take. Would wait for the buys or will wait for the shorts. Which trade would you take on this? How would you anticipate the price for you? Would you wait for buys, candle close above, and you have 500 pips? Or would you wait for candle to close below, then you have just 200 pips? Either ways, it's a win-win. You just need to wait until it doesn't manipulate. I've seen a lot of times like it closes below and people take entries and it went up back again and closes above and continue pushing up. Well, don't worry, we will take the both trades if it does gives us the opportunity. Other than that, we will just anticipate for the shorts for now. We have 3 minutes left for this 30-minute candle to close below this level. Then we will have a potential shorts. Potential shorts below. 4310, potential buys above this level. 4325. Now let's see which side succeeds in its way. We have 3 minutes left for this candle to close. All right, we have just 3 minutes left, and now 2 minutes left for this candle to close. Okay, it's about to close, but the way it's closing, guys, I mean, see the way it's closing, it's rejected all the way up. Now, I don't know, let's take a look on the 15-minute time frame. Closes above this level. Uh, I don't think so. It should. Let's see its closure. Gold can do anything in the last second, so cannot trust it. And nowadays, gold can do any fucking thing. Here we go. The pre-London session activated. Now, what I want is, this candle to make a wick up, retrace it, break its own low, or we can take a trade. 17K on this account. We grew up. I'll take 2 lot. Let's take a short. We are on the short. It broke its low. Now hopefully where we will set our stop loss just above this level. Just above this level, somewhere around this level, above these levels on 15-minute time frame, we see that we can take a stop loss on this. Yes, we can. But I would rather go with right here. Yeah, on the previous 15-minute candle's high, you can put your stop loss, and this is gonna be our trade. Let's see how this goes. I mean, I have low confirmations on this candle. I mean, on this price setup, but let's see how that moves. Basically, All right, the price is running. Okay, let's move this one on here. Skill fix. Is pre-London 1 hour away from London Open? Yes, we have just 1 hour left for London Open, man. It my time it does. I mean, I don't know what time zone you are living in, but it will be just 1 hour for London Open. It's your side as well. Let's take profit. I will do this. I will not target so far. 100 pips. Stop loss to risk on the fake outs. If it continues, it does, but it should not break the high of the previous candle. This is what it should not do, right? So we're just gonna wait and see how things goes. I have just set it my take profit right here. Yes, right here. Are you shorting? Yes, I am in sells, bro. I am in sell because we broke below this level. All right, based on 30-minute time frame, we broke below this level, and this candle, made a wick up and broke the low of its own. So it should continue pushing down to fill this wick and have the volume to continue pushing down either. So we are in the sell right now. But we not having much volume right now. See, the volume already happened last night, so you will see volume now, right? You will see volume right now in the pre-London. See, the candle is moving. Okay, you can see the volume. You can see the volume now. Either it will fake out, either it will continue pushing down. You will see the volume, right? In the pre-London, you will see the volume, because before that, so I was saying that in the pre-London, you will have, you will see the volume like this. We are already at the one-to-one risk to reward. Okay, we were risking $700 and we are up now $700. So what we'll do, we'll book some profits. We'll book some profits right here. Okay, I will close one lot on this. I'll close half of my position right here. Okay, I closed half of my position. I secured some positions right now. You guys can also, okay, secure some positions. So either it does, now it won't give you the fake out. I don't think so, because you see the volume is kicking in because it's a pre-London, and we had the clean range from the left hand side, and that trade went amazingly perfect. Okay, amazingly perfect. What else do you need? What else do you need, people? Damn. It's moving. It's moving towards the take profit. Oh, we just smashed our take profit. Smashed our take profit today. What a day, man. Yes, sir. We have hit it our take profit. I was I was about to trail my take profit actually. I was about to take trail my take profit till here. I was about to extend my take profit. Done for the day, close laptop and go out, or else over trading will happen. Exactly. If you're done for the day, close your laptop and just go for it. We are just anticipating right now. For me, over trading is gone, bro. That era of over trading, for me, it's gone because I have, trained my mind that I can, if I don't trade, if I don't find a good trade in a day, I won't trade. I won't even hit the charts. Okay, you have seen me this. Okay, in past few streams, when I don't find a good trade, I don't trade that day, right? And if I hit like two trades or three trades a day, that's it. I call it a day. That's it. And that's true. If you hit the take profit, you're done for the day, close the laptop, and you are done for the day. See, we hit it our take profit today, and let's anticipate the price where goes, right? And stay on the stream. We're gonna be doing some fundamental analysis as well. Okay, stay in the stream, and we're gonna do some fundamental analysis as well. The reason behind the yesterday's fall and yesterday's rise, what happened actually. We're gonna do the fundamental analysis on these things. So, if you wanna learn that, hit the live stream a like, and if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe my channel, share it with your friends within your groups, so we can grow up. And don't forget about the giveaways are coming up also. So, subscribe the channel, join the Telegram channel, stay connected, and you will find a lot of good stuff like this. Lot of good stuff like this. Did you guys took this trade and win? If you did, hit a W in the chat. If you did not, hit a L in the chat. Did you guys win this trade? Amazing. Green Universe win. Perfect. Perfect, brother. In first 28 minutes of our stream, we have already made like $1,800. Who makes that, bro? Which job, which 9 to 5 gives you this much money in a single day? Even if you make $100 in a day, it's $22, $23, $2,300. The end of the month, still big achievements. Price is moving. Volume will be hitting now. That trade was 1 to 2 risk to reward. Okay, let's take a look on the fundamental side of whatever happened yesterday. So let me go up to the, first of all, the Forex factory and the investing.com for the news. All right. Trump signs US Iran deal Versailles reports. Yeah, these fucking idiots. US President Trump signed a memorandum of understanding with Iran during the state of visit, and the France Wednesday media reports on the show. Responding the reporter's question when he was leaving the place on the Versailles on Wednesday evening, the Trump said the deal is signed. Can we expect the gold to fall till 42.17? Can we expect it? Till here you're saying, right? We can expect that if this volume continues coming down. Okay, if because we have a clean range from left hand side on the 1 hour, it should continue pushing down till here to fix all the mess it made, and then might continue pushing up. So that could happen. So Ram is asking how we need to fix lot size on $3,000 account. Any input on this? Basically, see Ram, if you have a $3,000 account, you can go for 0.3 if your real account, right? The things and the lot size shit is different on the funded account. But if you're trading the real account, then you should go for 0.15 to 0.30, right? 1530. So basically, that is very good for your account. This is what I use. This is what I use. All right. Let's take on the Forex factory. See, yesterday, let me go back. So yesterday we had the FOMC, and FOMC rates has the same thing, didn't changed, which is good thing for the US dollar. Okay, which is very good for thing for the US dollar. They are not increasing or decreasing because they are now stabilizing themselves. All right, and that makes the dollar stronger, right? And once things got stronger on the dollar, that definitely gold will fall. This is what happened on the FOMC fund rates. They didn't cut it. All right. So the second thing, once the gold is already fallen due to when rates didn't cut up and remain the same. The FOMC projections and FOMC conference made a difference. Once they came up, they showed up, and they say, hey, we have this rates on this part of it, and we are imposing a team, and they will look after the funds, they will look after blah blah blah, a lot of things, a kind of department they are making, them and their colleagues as usual, they say. So as they have imposed that, you can say, the deployment of these departments, so what happened is price start correcting itself. Okay, correcting itself, where I got in and I took my profits. Okay, once FOMC press conference starts, this is how The gold moved yesterday for the FOMC, but for the Trump speech, where the Trump motherfucker goes. Yeah, here we go. Uh, yeah, this one. The 7:45 p.m. at my time when the Trump speaks. So if you see the data, whenever Trump speaks, the gold moves definitely. Once gold moves, where mostly the 90% of gold moves into the direction of the bullish side. The bullish side, when it movement comes, definitely I got in the buy side because I have seen a lot of time whenever Trump speaks. Okay, whenever Trump speaks, gold goes bullish. So most of the time, not all of the time, but sometimes are like they are uh, like the Powell and Trump had the fight. Definitely, when the Trump speaks, gold just came down all the way down. Okay, just because they're fights, the personal issues, whatever. So I took the buy on this one. I had hit my take profit, got out, and on the FOMC, these things happened. Okay, now just let's take a look on the latest news if we have any on gold. Yes, 7:45 p.m. Yes, sir. Okay, let's go on the news. US Iran deal is pressed on the record side. Asia stop drag on the oil. Gold prices raise. Price on the Iran deal on the cheer outweigh on the Fed rates concern. It didn't cut off, bro. The trading day US is dropped to the lower and the dollar jumps on the Federal Reserve with the kicks on the March era. Gold leads on the precious metal in decline after Fed leaves on the rate unchanged. Right? This is what I was talking about. Unchanged rates turns the hawkish. The, what I say on these bitch. Gold bearish in Gulf. No, it will be fixed up. This will be fixed up. Definitely, I think it. Eurozone bonds on the price exchange they're really aimed for the cooling inflation. The inflation might trigger, I mean, on the euro side, the Europe is already in the inflation for the benchmarks in the German 10 years yield. But due to the oil prices that will hit the United States around the reached on the agreement peace deal for framework on the safe side on the Geneva on Friday. They just extending the dates and extending the fucking dates. Extending the dates, that's it they do. Right, right, right. There's a huge possibility of the price to continue pushing down, but don't trade on the sell side if we create a support on somewhere around here. Okay? If we create a support somewhere around here and we have clean range from left hand side, then the huge chances that gold will continue pushing up and fix this shit. Fixing this shit would be easier for the gold, but as up for now, because the rates are unchanged, the Federal Reserve rates are unchanged, that will create a huge impact on the dollar to remain stronger. Okay, the remain stronger, and the crash of the gold is possible. Is possible in next few days. Let's take a look on which news are we are looking for. Um, okay, so we have today we don't have, I think. Okay, unemployment claim is coming up and the Phil Fed manufacturing index is coming up. That won't really hit the ground that much. And tomorrow is Friday. Tomorrow is Friday. Damn, things changes so fast, man. I didn't knew that tomorrow is Friday. Okay, tomorrow is the bank holiday, guys. Tomorrow is bank holiday and the Friday. We're not gonna stream tomorrow and not gonna trade tomorrow. I suggest and I advise you guys the same. Don't trade on the bank holidays either. You find a very good setup. Just stay away of it. You see, stay away of it. Stay away from it. Okay, we have 6 minutes left for this candle to close. Let's see if it continues pushing down or not. It's okay, we are not trading, we are just anticipating the price. The 15-minute is continuing pushing up. If it creates a support right here, that's a huge possibility for price to continue pushing up then. But as we broke below the support, so possibility drops. All right, the possibilities, all the possibilities drops that it will continue pushing up until we do a fake out again. Until we do a fake out again. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Damn, my members are, where are they gone, man? The people are not here today. I think a lot of people have hated their, like, washed their accounts yesterday on the FOMC. A lot of people have washed their accounts during the FOMC, man. The FOMC made a lot of people to cry in their tears. So let's see if we close this bullish here on this candle, and next candle continue pushing up and closes above here. So then we can anticipate, yeah, we have a fake out. We can take a buy now and anticipating, price to hit this high, this previous high, and that would be about for, that would be about for, let's take a look. That high would be for 160 pips. That would be great, amazing for the people. All right. So that high will create an impact. Show us pre-FOMC trades. Pre-FOMC trades. Which trades are you talking about? The last trades, yesterday trades of mine, right? So let's take a look. The custom period. Let me make it right. Let me make it right. I mean post FOMC. I think you're talking about my trades, right, bro? So let's do this. Okay, so these are the trades I took yesterday. These are the trades I took yesterday. Okay, that was the Trump speaks. That was the Trump speech, basically. Now this trade was the Trump speech. Okay, the $1,600, the 160 70 pips on this trade, and these three trades. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. These three trades were FOMC. I mean FOMC conference rates, not the FOMC rates. Okay, the rate cuts was the reason why price just fallen down, because the rates were not changed. Okay, the rate remained the same, and this is why the dollar gains its value, and definitely it will fall down. All right, and basically once the press conference hit, and in the press conference they always talk about the different rates. All right, they always talk about the different rates of the economy and all this other stuff on side by side, and that makes the price to recover a bit. Okay, either it moved up or either it moved down during the FOMC rate cut. Okay, and during the press conference there's chances that it will remain, it will recover a bit and then continue pushing down. So during that point I took these trades. Let me see. Yes, sir. On these trades, like this, and this. 1, 2, and 3. And I closed everything right here. These were the trades I took yesterday. And the Trump speak, let me check. Okay, that was Trump's speech. That was Trump's speech. This trade. This trade was Trump's speech. And before, I mean, 5 minutes of Trump's speech, I took this trade. And that trade went very well. And as I thought, continued pushing up for 180 bips, 70 bips. I closed. And this one, okay. And this trade was today. Today we took this trade and we just booked like about 70, 80 pips. This is it you was talking about, bro? Green universe? Is that it? Still having the huge possibility for price to continue pushing down. But if you guys are in this trade, I would suggest close it. I would suggest close it because see, already hit the 70 pips. How much pips did we hit today? Yes, 80 pips we have already closed. Guys, 9 people are watching what you guys are doing, man. Just hit the like on this stream. Hit the like on this stream and support. Right, so it's better to close. Now it might turn back and give us a fake out on 1 hour. There's possibility. And then it might continue pushing up to fix all the way till here. That is possible. That is very, very possible. That is so damn possible that it can happen. And for gold, it's just bread and butter. It's not a big deal for the gold. Okay, so 15-minute close is bullish. 15-minute close is bullish. Now we don't have any trade. My broker does not allow scalping. Bro, change your broker. I don't know what broker you're trading. If you're not, if you're a scalper, go for the Dominion markets. This broker, go for it. I shared the link with you. Okay, I shared the link with you in the comments. I will pin this comment. Just go with this broker if you're a scalper. Because I am a scalper too. And when I scalp, you see the trade closes so fast, trade executed so fast, and everything just within a click. Switch your broker to this. Dominion market will change your life. I mean, if you're a scalper. Okay, okay, bro. All right, all right, all right, people, all right, people. The gangster thing is going on. The gangster vibes are coming up from the gold right now. Now the sellers are fighting with the buyers because the buyers are showing the momentum now. What will be happening in the next section till NY open? Huge possibilities that it will continue pushing up and fill this whole range it made yesterday. That is possible. That is fucking live possible, right? That is 100% possible. Oh, damn. I mean, did you guys have had breakfast? Because I didn't. Rom, Dominion is best. Exactly, bro. Using my link will, reduce your commissions on the trading. I think the commission is $1 and the, normal commissions are $3, $7 based on the EC and the standard account. But for the scalpers, Dominion is heaven. I was trading like XNES, I was trading like the other things, but that didn't work out. Sometimes my funds got frozen, and sometimes my trade got stuck. A lot of shit happened. So when I shifted to this broker, I mean, it's going well. It's going really well. My deposits and withdrawals is the best part. And whenever I withdraw, it comes like this within just 2-3 seconds. No broker does that. They put you on the wait, they put you on the process, and that shit makes me so angry when you are not allowed to withdraw your own funds. All right. We are making a wick down on the 15 minute, and it might continue pushing up. There's a possibility because we had created support now. Or it will range within this, and when we break below this, then definitely you can take sells again. So guys, whoever missed this trade, if you missed this trade, wait for price to break below this, not impulse, just break below and close below this level. Then you can again take a short till here, and that range is like, yeah, 200 pips. You can go for it. Let me put it here. Another potential sells below. Go to 98. All right. So we are looking for another potential sales below this. If you missed it, I'm not going to taking any trade because I'm done for the day. Whoever missed this trade, this is for them, right? This is for them. From XNES, my money got stuck. It happened with me a lot of time, bro. I I mean, trust me, when I deposited $30,000 on the XNES, it was like 3 months ago. So they just froze my funds. They didn't like let me trade my account. They didn't, let me to withdraw my funds. They were asking about the wallet address and my wallet information, the video of my wallet, and explaining them that everything is mine. And then they turned out to be, okay, this is big fund. How did you get this? What is your income source? Bro, this is hilarious. They were asking me about my income source, what I do to get that fund, and how I be able to deposit this. And when I gave them everything, then only after 1 month they let me withdraw my funds. I never traded that again. So this is hilarious. This is hilarious. You are not able to withdraw your own funds in the XNES. All right, so 30 minutes moving on. 15 minute is moving on. So if we close this below this level on 15 minute, because we have created support now, a market structure, right? Now if we close below this, then still the trade and trend is valid to continue pushing down, and it will continue pushing down till here, right? But if it continue pushing up and break above this level 43.10, then it will be considered as a fake out from the gold, and then it will continue pushing up to fix this price it made yesterday all the way up. How long you have been with Romanian market? Bro, I have been them with past year, 1 year, 1 year, 1 year I have been working with them. I have contacts in their teams. I mean, Alberti and the Raja Banks. Uh, you know, See, if you guys don't trust me, let me show you. Let me show you where it goes. This is Raja Bank's assistant. Okay, this guy is Raja Bank's assistant. So I have his contact. Yeah, I cannot show you guys. All right. So yes, sir. Yes, sir. They have very good support. They have very good the spreads to trade. See, the spreads are very low. If I move to 5 minute, even the spreads are very low and tradable. And when you take a trade and instantly it executes and instantly it closes. For scalpers, it's heaven. All right. I am in UK and they are not uh, FCA registered, are they? Bro, you can do a crypto you can deposit with the crypto wherever you are. I mean, for example, if you know you are from what is your actual country? I mean, you are living in the UK or the residents of the UK? Are you the resident of the UK or resident of India, Pakistan, or any other country? I mean, you can register from another country and you can deposit through the crypto. That's it. Or if you have anyone outside of the country or outside of the UK, you can use their details to create an account. Your family, your cousins, your brothers, and then you can just go for it. Okay, I have another broker. I just got it. If you are UK residents, try this one. For you, mm, that they are registered in the UK and the USA, they operate in that. Let me share the link with you. They are operating in the UK, I think. Let's take a look on this. All right, bro, check this broker now. I think it will work for you. They're also the same. I mean, very good for the having very good spreads and same thing as the Romanian market, but they are operating in the USA, UK, and Dubai. So they are also a very good trader. Oh, sorry, broker. But if you can Romanian, that would be great. But the same thing, if you're, the funds are safe, everything is safe in your hand, and the withdrawal and deposits, which is main thing, it's safe, which I believe I trust because I'm working with these two brokers right now. My accounts are in these two brokers. One is for for live stream right here, and the second account is for I use for swing trading, which I do in this Godu. I share the link with you so you can check it. Okay, okay. So let's take a look how gold is moving. It's not. I mean, it should break below this, and then there's high chances for price to continue pushing down. Then we'll see. We have 45 seconds left for this candle to close. That could be an impulse entry if the next candle continues pushing down. We'll see because we already have move potential to continue pushing down, and we have a clean range. All right, smooth making a wick up now. The current 15-minute candle is just making a wick up. 30-minute is still open. See, the sellers are losing its momentum right here. The sellers are losing the momentum if you see it. They're rejecting all the way up. The small bodies, you can read the candles, the shapes. Candles are losing the momentum right now. Now, if they closes below the 42 2928, sorry, 429898, so basically it's a potential yet for price to continue pushing up, sorry, pushing down. But if then it closes above this level, it will be considered as a fake out, and the bias will be valid till here, then till 43.29. That is a 160 pip range, and if it closes above this range, then you should hold it. I mean, till here, it will fix it then definitely. Huge potential bias above this one then. Well, all right, people. I'm gonna head off now. I'm done for the day already. Okay, we had a very good trade. We are done for the day, and that trade was very good, basically. And I will be looking for, if we close above this level. All right, people. So basically, I'm gonna head off now. I am gonna head off now. All right. So hope you guys enjoyed the live stream. If you are new to this, so basically give a thumbs up and subscribe. I forgot my microphone was off. So, okay, see you guys tomorrow at the same time and with the same energy. Have a good one. Take care. Bye bye.